Hey guys, Big B. Just wanted to give an update on the Scorpion helmet. So basically, been doing some work on it. You can see I've got some different mounts on here, but the main mount is a chin mount here. Just fabricated this up. It's got couple aluminum strap goes around, welded this plate on here. This mount up here is actually kind of on a ball swivel. It's pretty tight. Fits really well on there. Allows me to change some angles. Nice thing about when I made this, my whole motive was to keep the vent operational. You can see kind of how that mount sits. And then over here, what I did on this side is I've got a little wire loom type of a fitting here that's holding my plug-in, so these wires are contained all the time. Then you can see the Cardo Slim Slim and how it's mounted underneath. The wiring's all nice and clean. And then when you come up inside of the helmet, then you can see here's the microphone that goes into the GoPro. Little wiring tucked up in there. Once again, it's another one of those little wire looms. This is farther enough away from my face I don't notice it. And then the mic for the Cardo is right there. Actually sewed the little piece of Velcro here to the front face to keep that microphone right there in that spot. But very clean. Nothing hanging out, nothing in my way. Kind of long time overdue. So that's kind of a prototype on that chin mount. And when after I go on this ride, I'm getting ready for the Klim Cow Tag Ride, and that's this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so if this survives the whole trip, then I will be probably rebuilding this in a little nicer condition and shape, and I'll powder coat it black so it looks a little nicer on the helmet. So this is just kind of a prototype. Just wanted to get it going, but really happy the way that it's turned out. Thanks guys. Big B out.